Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and we are building this SQL LeetCode question series, and today we are going to solve question number 586, customer placing the largest number of orders. So let us see in which company this question has been asked. The company names are Google in the last 3 months, Twitter, which is now called X, and Adobe, Bloomberg and Apple. So this is quite a nice question, even though it is marked easy in the LeetCode. So what is given to us? Let us see. So we are given orders table with 2 columns, order number and customer number. Order number is the primary key for this table. This table contains information about the order ID and the customer ID. So what do we need to find? We need to find a solution to find the customer number for the customer who has placed the largest number of orders. The test cases are generated so that exactly one customer will have placed more orders than any other customer. The result format is in the following example. Suppose we are given an order table like this. If we see which customer has done the maximum number of orders, then we could clearly see the customer number 3 has done 2 orders. 2 has done 1 and 1 has done 1. So the answer is 3. It has also said that there will be no tie between the topmost positions. We do not have to worry about the tie case. And the follow-up question, what if more than one customer has the largest number of orders? Can you find all the customer number in this case? We will even see this case as well. Let us write the solution where the result is only one customer and there is no tie at the topmost position. Let's go to the data grid. We are in the data grid and I have already created this table orders and also inserted the data, just like in the example. So if we have to find the customer number who has placed the highest number of orders, of course we need to group by based on customer number. If we do that and if we just give the count star and if we run this query, we will see, okay, count star we cannot have, select customer number and count star. If you run this query, then you could see 1 has 1 order, 2 has 1 and 3 has 2 orders. We just need to order by count star descending. If we do this, we get our result like this. Now 3 is on the top. Since we know that there is no tie at the topmost position, we could just do limit 1 and we could just print customer number only. If we do this, we get our result. Let me just submit the solution in the LeetCode now. I am in the LeetCode and let me submit the solution and run for the test case number 1. The solution is accepted. Let me just submit this. I am able to beat 62.22% of the users, which is quite nice. So this solution is accepted. But let us see the follow-up question now, which is what if more than one customer has the largest number of orders? Let me go to the data grid and try to prepare this kind of a data now. Select star from orders and let me also create into orders values. Let me create 6 and 4 and insert into orders values 7 and 4. Let me create these 2 rows as well. Let us see what the table now looks after these 2 inserts. Now the table look like this. So we have 2 customers, both 3 and 4, having the highest number of orders placed and they are both sitting at the top. So we have a tie at the topmost position. Now if we try to run this, we are not going to get the answer. We have got customer number 4, but we have omitted the customer number 3. Now you will say to me, Anil, let me just delete all this thing. It's quite easy. Just put limit 2 and try to get the answer. You are going to get both 3 and 4. Why this solution will not work? Because I know at this point in time, after seeing the data, there are only 2 customers at the topmost position. That's why I'm able to put the limit 2. But if I have not seen the data, I do not know how many customers are there at the topmost position. So the limit value I do not know. That's why this solution is not up to the mark. We have to think in a different way. So how we could solve this question? Since we are very fond of this window function, we could solve this with the help of window function, and let us see how we could solve this. Let me just create select star from orders. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to count over, of course, customer number, partition by customer number as CT. If I run this query, I have the count statement. Of course, I need to do a customer number. If I run this query, I have the counts now. Now I'm going to wrap this query like this. Select star from, and I'm going to have a rank function, dense rank over, I do not have to do any partition by order by CT descending as RK. If I run this query, now my rank has come 1 1 1 1 2 2. So now what I'm going to do, where RK equals to 1, select star from this. If I run this query, then you could see all the ones are there. I have to just do a distinct customer number here. Now if I check, I have both 3 and 4. I do not have to worry about how many customers are there at the topmost position, because whoever customers are at the topmost position, their rank will always be 1. So this is a very general solution which needs to be written if asked in the interview rather than the first one. I also hope that you know all these window functions, count and a dense rank, very well before coming to this video. Otherwise, please watch my videos on this dense rank and the count. You could find the explanation for these dense rank and the count in this playlist only. Please check out that first. Now let me go to the LeetCode and try to submit this solution as well, and to check whether this is working or not. I am in the LeetCode and I'm trying to submit this question. Yes, the test case number 1 has been accepted, no syntax errors. Let me just submit for all the test cases. It has been accepted and I am able to beat 5.14% of the users. If you are liking the content, then please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to all your SQL friends. Within the next couple of weeks, we will have a very exhaustive list on the SQL playlist of nearly all the LeetCode questions on it. If you are struggling with any question and you want me to write the solution for that question, then please write your question in the comment section, or you could mail me. You could find my mail ID in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.